I think when I'm done with this program, I'll be prepared to enter the workforce. We've gone over such a big variety of industrial technology and programming and everything. My situation was actually pretty unique, but not, because a lot of factories around here have been closing, and so I had worked for a starter company for a couple of years and they closed down. And so with the factory I was working for closing, I was able to come back to school under grants, so I didn't have to actually pay for any of my classes.